remember getting on the plane and eating the edible. And it was me, like Martin and Gabriel, and we were sitting across from three, like, old women. And all of a sudden, the edible started hitting me, right? And I'm 380. I'm fucking huge at the time.
Really? That must have been miserable.
Oh, I had to be 380. This is like 10 years ago. I'll never forget taking my shirt off. And the sweat was pouring down me, and these little old ladies were just looking at the floor, and there I am, fucking sweat. Another time I went to Delta, I took an edible. Like, I got so hungry, I ate a pack of cinnamon certs. And that's a mistake, dog. Cinnamon makes you sweat like a motherfucker.
Really?
I started sweating on the plane. There was a little gay guy next to me, and he was asleep. You know how gay people put those little things on their eyes? I had to take my shirt off. There I am in first class with the blanket up to my stomach. My tits are out.
Yeah.
You could feel the beads. I remember getting off the plane in Miami the next morning, and my pants were fucking wet. And the stewardess would just walk in the halls, look at me, and give me a water. She knew how fucked up I was.